Clarity?
Clarity.
Clarity, the purpose or the intention of being clear and obvious. The thing that makes you look like you're doing something on purpose, right? Not just that you happen to get there and it was a nice, coincidence that you were doing something on purpose. People over here looked like people over here, having not even drilled next to each other whatsoever, so we're good there. Now, we're about to go to the next piece, but to do that, we have to kind of talk about, again, we told you we're going to kind of reboot how we think about things. So we're going to play a game. The game is this the same move? Okay? So I'm going to do 2 exhibition moves. Your only job is to tell me, is it the same move or not the same move? Should be easy, yes? All right, here's the first move. Okay, first move. Here's the second move. Are they the same move? No, right? One of them's a tiki-taki box looking thing, and one of them's a double spin in the air and catch. All right, so next set. Are these the same move? No, right? One of them's down here, it's 1 spin. One of them's up here, it's 2 spins, right? Pretty straightforward. All right, here's the third example, and you tell me, are they the same move or are they different moves? Yeah. Most of us say yes, right? And I think that's the normal answer. They're both double aerials. But I want you to watch again, and I want you to watch like you're not a driller, you're a judge. And what you were told that morning was, the point of drill is to be the same, and if they're not the same, you don't have to know who's right or wrong. If it's different, someone must be wrong, right? So watch it with those kind of eyes and see if you can tell me if it's the same move. It's the hand difference, right? Now, most drill teams are going to say they're the same move, and they're going to be happy as long as the rifle goes spin, spin twice, and then gets caught. Your audience, your judges, are generally not drill people, right? To them, this versus this could mean that it was 2 totally different things and we're losing points on it. But usually we're happy to get within that level of like closeness, right? I will tell you this, from here on going forward, if it's not the exact same technique, with the exact same mechanics and the exact same timing, it does not count as the same move. So for example, tell me, if I stand like this, does this count as a position of attention? Oh, but my heels are on line and I'm looking straight forward and my chin is parallel. What's the problem? Wrist is not in line, right? So that's what we're talking about. We're talking about the difference between this and this, because if a judge sees one person like this and one person like this, they don't have to know who's right or wrong. They just know someone's different, and in drill, we're all supposed to be the same, yes? So that's the level of attention to detail. It's like, is my hand here or is my hand here? That's the level of attention to detail that we need for the rest of our time together, yes?